guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, what are we talking about today? I mentioned that I'm going to take a favorite product and then dive deeper into that line and see if there's other hidden gems within the line. So today we're gonna do the same thing. Now, if you've been watching my channel at all, you know that my favorite mascara is Perricone MD No Mascara. Mascara only comes in black. So let me just talk a little bit first about this line. Perricone MD did skincare first, and then they decided to come out with a line called Perricone MD No Makeup. And basically it is it's to give you that all natural look. So they have everything that you would need in order to put together a look. So they have, what do they have? They have the primer, they have a foundation serum, they have a foundation, a concealer, a bronzer, a highlighter, eyeshadow, mascara, lipstick, and lip gloss. So I decided, well, let's try some more products. So I bought a kit that will have the blush, the lipstick, and the lip gloss, and we're gonna test them out today. I have nothing on my lips. I only have put my contour on and some bronzer, and I have no mascara on because I thought that I would show you why I love this mascara so much. So this is what the kit looks like. There we go here. I've not yet opened it, so we're gonna unbox together and take a peek. And I opened it upside down. Everything fell out. Of course it did. Oh. Okay, pretty. All right, this is the lip gloss. It comes in one color because it's supposed to pick up the hints of your own skin tone. So we'll see how that works. So it's packaged very beautifully. It says Perricone MD here. It's frosted glass, which is really nice, and then a silver handle. So it's got some weight to it. And then the lipstick is beautiful as well. Look how shiny that is. It says Perricone MD and Perricone MD on it. Twist. I have never had a lipstick that you twist. Look at that. You twist it. Wow. Kind of neat. So it seals it. Well, that's pretty cool. There's actual expiration dates on here. So what makes this line special is that it has skincare in each of the products. So I will go through it with you. Here's what it looks like. Now this is interesting. I always like something that's curved into the, you know, your traditional lipstick shape or a doe foot applicator. This is very round. So we'll see how this works. And I love that this is like locks. That's really cool. And then here is what the blush looks like. It's in a little frosted glass bottle as well. So let's go ahead and start with finishing off my eyes. Now, here's what the mascara looks like. Again, it's that same silver shiny metallic, which is really pretty. Regardless of what mascara I'm using, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous primer. Okay, we're all zoomed in. Can you hear my dog yawning? How funny. Oh, lazy dog. I'm gonna grab a little mirror here. It's a little easier. Now with this primer, I do one eye at a time. This is a dual tip wand. Two sides have product and two sides will be a comb. So regardless of how you're turning it, the little white teeth are a comb. So you put the product on and then you just pull it through. There you go. So I'm just gonna stand. Open eye, close eye. Isn't that amazing? I just think this is the best mascara out. So it has skincare products in the mascara, so it's not just lengthening and thickening, but it's also nourishing them. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back and then we'll do the lips and cheeks. All right, so the eyes are on. If you like the eyeshadow look today, this was from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh my gosh, that I got for my birthday, and I think the colors in there are so pretty. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the cheeks. So the skincare that's in the cheeks, and I'm just gonna give it a little shake. DMAE, vitamin C, so it's supposed to lift, have that volume effect. It's supposed, you know, it has that collagen rich factor in it, and it has an SPF of 30. So let's see. I've never even looked at the app. Okay, probably is a doe foot applicator, yes. Okay, so it's a doe foot applicator. That's what the color looks like. Okay, let me just swatch it on the back of my hand. I don't know how I feel about the color yet. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So, I'm just gonna put a few little dots on and go from there. Oh, I must say that that's very pretty. I like that. What do you guys think? Apple. We're gonna squish them up. Ooh. Okay, let me go ahead and do the other side. You know, it really makes your skin glow. I like it. I'll wear it for the next, you know, for the rest of the day. I'll wear it and see how it holds up. I think it gives a nice look. I'm gonna put finishing powder over it just to smooth it out a little bit, as I would with any blush that I use. Of course, I put finishing powder on. All right, let's try the lips. Should we try the lip gloss first? Let's try the lip gloss first, and then we'll take it off and then we'll put the lipstick on. So the lip gloss, SPF 15, it has neuropeptides in it, so it's supposed to give it that supple look, nourished look. This is what the color is. It's a doe foot applicator. Blush is more of a peachy tone, and this is more of a berry tone. But let's go ahead and try it out. Not really sure what it smells. How's this? I can't. It smells like cookie dough. It really, I'm like, what is this smell? You know, I'm used to vanilla and citrus, and I'm like, raw cookie dough. That is what this smells like. That is so weird. Perfect. Not allowed to eat raw cookie dough, but I can put it on my lips, smell it. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see. It's not tacky or sticky. You know when you do that thing? No, very nice. It feels good on the lips. Very moisturizing. Nice. It's you know, if you were just putting this on to keep your lips nourished and it has a tint of color, I think this is very pretty. Now you guys, I'm one that I put lip liner all the time because I just have so many little fine lines, and the lip liner just makes those go away, or the appearance that they go away. So I would put lip liner on and put this on and be out the door, and I think it's really pretty color. All right, so I'll give you my final thoughts on each of the products, but yeah, it feels really good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then we'll put the lipstick on. All right, let's take this off. Okay, lipstick. Again, cute. It has a locking mechanism, which is really neat, so I cannot pull apart. You have to twist and then pull it open. Let's check this out. I'm going to put this right next to the lip gloss. Ooh. Okay. I'm not sure how I feel about this at all. Okay, so I don't particularly care for the swatch. You can see that it's looks very patchy, but we'll give it a try. Let me zoom you in. Okay, pretty. So the lipstick is very pretty as well. Similar color to lip gloss, so they definitely go together. I would consider this is not a full coverage lipstick. It's not a lip stain. It's like a lip balm. That's how I would definitely describe it, as a lip balm. It feels very, very good on the lips. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it off. Why not, right? We're gonna line my lips like I normally would. I'm gonna put the lipstick on, and then I'm gonna put the lip gloss over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a lip liner on. This is one of my favorite lip liners. This is by IT Cosmetics, Your Lips But Better. And this is in the color Romantic Rose. Let me show you the swatch because I think this will go very well. So it's in the, I think it's gonna go very well with the lipstick and lip gloss. So let's put that on, lipstick on, lip gloss on. And I will tell you with this lipstick, you can't just shut it. It will just pop open. You have to shut and twist. Cookie dough. By the way, the lipstick smells like cookie dough too. Raw cookie dough. It smells so good. It's making me hungry though. All right, there we have it. Let's zoom in again. So we have the mascara. We have the blush. And we have the lipstick and lip gloss. So let's zoom in a little closer on those lips. My first impressions on the Perricone MD no makeup products that we tried today. So let's start with the mascara. This is not a first impression. This is I use this every single day. This is my favorite mascara. Love it. The benefit, of course, to this as well is that it does have skincare properties. So it's nourishing your eyelashes as well. Let's do the blush. The first impression, I really like it. I mean, you just have to, this is one of those things where you could easily put in your bag. You know, you don't have to, you know, worry about if it's a powdered blush. You know, you don't have to carry the brush and a powdered blush. This you literally could put in any bag and just put a few dots and rub it on the apples of your cheek, and you know, you have a beautiful blush. I think the color is nice, so I like it. One thing is with all these products is they all have skincare in them, whether it's be vitamin C or DMA or DMAE or neuropeptides. Those are all wonderful things to have. They also all have SPFs. The cheeks have 30 and the lip products have 15. As far as the consistency of the lip gloss, awesome, not sticky or tacky. Your lips don't, you know, stick together. It's not thick or goopy. Very nice. The color is pretty. The smell is nice. It's raw cookie dough, which really makes me hungry. But other than that, it's a pleasant fragrance, so that's good. And it's a very sheer coverage, but it does feel very good on the lips, and it's moisturizing. I like the packaging a lot. I was uncertain about the shape at first, you know, putting it on, especially where the Cupid's bow is, but I didn't have any issues. I think these are almost interchangeable. What's nice is that if you do have both and you put the look on, you have more of a full coverage, if that makes sense. First impressions, I like them a lot, and that makes me think that I might have to try out the rest of their products. I don't know, what do you guys think? Go ahead and wear this and we'll do a check-in after I eat, and before I take my makeup off tonight. We'll see how it held up. Hi guys, okay, so for my final check-in, it's been all day that I've been trying out this product. I will tell you the lip products, because they are the lip gloss is very sheer and the lipstick is more like a lip balm. Those do not hold up after the first meal. They were pretty much gone. I think it left like a little bit of a nice little tint though, which is nice. The blush, still popping, so that's great. The mascara always holds up really well. So my final thoughts, I love it. I think I'm gonna try more of the products for sure. So you guys have a wonderful evening, and as always, if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Chat to you guys later. Have a great night.